So just yesterday, in one trading day, I made $3,000. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make money as a beginner via trading. And as a bonus, if you watch this video to the end, I'm going to be sharing trading signals and secrets that professional traders use to change their lives for the better. I'll be waiting for you at the ending. It's time to understand our trading strategy. So friends, I'm adding Ichimoku Kinko. So here, as well as fractals, now our chart looks like it's a very confusing set of lines, but we'll fix that. So let's get into it. Okay, good. So for Ichimoku Kinko here, I remove everything unnecessary. I'm leaving only span A and span B, and now our system is ready to work. Let's break down its main principles. So let's start with the fractals. These triangles mark levels where breakouts or reversal serves as a full-fledged signal to enter into the market. So this is what we're going to be using to jump into the market. So if the price crosses these lines, it's almost always continues moving further. This works with reversals from fractal levels too. So we have Ichimoku, which resembles something like clouds over here. If the chart below them, we consider downside potential. So when this price is above, we should expect an upward move. This is exactly how it works. Here, the fractals were giving sell signals, but we're not going to be using them. So the price above the clouds, which means that it's simply not suitable for trades. So here's a good trading segment, guys. Here's the charts where it breaks through several fractals, followed by an even more impressive rally. Let me show you with these lines here. More importantly, it's accompanied by Ichimoku clouds below the chart. In this segment, we will always open long positions, which will allow us to profit. Now it's time to put our strategy into action. So I like this asset, so I'll trade, its movement. So, but first, let's take a brief pause before the trade. Never rush, guys. It will always ends badly. Today we'll discuss, composure, perhaps the most important quality of any trader. You need to be calm, you need to be level-headed when it comes to your trading. So let me say this straight. At the very beginning of your trading journey, you need to learn to keep your emotions under control. You either master them or you keep losing your money constantly and always. So you have to learn to keep your head level. I've already entered the trade here. Let's analyze the chart situation. So the asset is below the Ichimoku cloud. We have a breakout and consolidation below fractal. So expecting a downside is completely justified. To help you better understand the analysis sequence, Ichimoku is our filter, the primary condition that gives general direction. Fractal is the precision tool for showing, exact moments and when to act. So Ichimoku without fractals is too slow and generalized, while fractals without your Ichimoku gives too many false signals. In other words, it needs filtering. You need one or the other to work with each other. You can't work, you can't work with one and leave the other out. This is exactly why we trade with this system. So guys, a combination of two good tools that complement each other perfectly. There is synergy within these tools. So okay, the first trade of today is gone. We've made some money here. Now let's switch chart and trade something else. So we're going to be trading a really interesting situation right now, guys, and here I'll be entering the assets downside. So let's see what the chart is telling us here. So first, there's a decline after the breaking through fractals, plus the price has bounced off its level again, and now we're waiting for another downwards move. The asset is already below the Ichimoku cloud, so we can comfortably expect, further price decline. So when I talk about calmness and composure in trading, I mean strict adherence to strategy and only opening trades where signals indicate it. Don't be rash, don't jump into whatever you feel like. Always keep your head level. It's equally important not to enter markets when the chart doesn't let you do that, doesn't confirm, continued trend movement. It's a guessing game, which is very bad. If you've already tried trading on your own, you know how challenging it is at first. It's easier to start under a pro's guidance who will tell you what to do. Okay, and look, that's why my Telegram channel is there. It provides you with this guidance that you need as a beginner so that you can start your trading journey accurately today. So subscribe, the description is in the link, everything below. So click the link, get in on the Telegram channel. I'm waiting for you. So by the way, I just closed another profitable trade. If you want to start trading with high success rate and minimal risk, you know what to do. Click that link in the description and we can continue. Okay, so let's trade the downside again. Here we have a classic situation. The price has been declining steadily with no reversal signals. So we have a downward breakout below the fractal level while the price remains under the Ichimoku cloud. This is an ideal entry point, and that may deliver several more profitable trades for us today. So now we wait calmly for our trade to close in profit. Staying composed will help you avoid unnecessary stress. The assets may fluctuate in both directions, dipping too low, spiking too high, but until the trade closes and expiration completes, you must remain completely calm. Be zen. So stay calm, guys. Your money is already in the markets and should return soon. And if you take a loss, no problem. You recover it in a series of winning trades. That's exactly what proper management is for. I've covered this in details in my older videos. Make sure to watch them on my channel. So I'm in profit here again. I'm investing $2,000 and currently planning to open another position on this same asset. So people sometimes ask me, why take breaks after expiration when the indicator still shows signals? It's simple. The asset might suddenly reverse its direction, and this happens quite frequently, to be honest. So it's more common than it isn't. That's why I always first analyze the price movement, speed before entering the market, and okay, the final trade for today is open. I'm confident we're going to secure good profits today. So now we have a minute to discuss the most crucial aspect: how to become a composed trader. So first, you need practice. There's no way around it. There's nothing that beats practice. Second, you must enter trades with moderate risk exposure. You can't put all the money you have on just a trade when you're a beginner. That doesn't work. This is exactly why I recommend opening your position with just 2 to 3% of your deposit, so you won't fear losing these funds to the market. Another critical factor for developing composure is strategy confidence. Test it thoroughly on a demo account to verify its effectiveness before, because doubts can emerge during live trading and it will seriously diminish and hinder your performance in trading. So with time, you will succeed, guys, and the key is to always, take action. You have to take that first step so that you know where you're going to. So, oh, good here. Look, I've closed my final trade for the day, over $4,700. Wow. On the balance, and now you can see we're going to summarize our trading day for today. Check it out. So this trading session ranks among the best we've had in the last couple of weeks, guys. So I've really enjoyed this one, and I want you guys to remember what we talked about today about composure and keeping a level head when it comes to trading. This will save you. I have something I want to give you guys. So on my Telegram channel, which I want you to subscribe and send a message to me on, we're giving out 50% discount on pocket option. Yes, 50% discount. That means whatever you put, you're going to get half of it on top on that, on pocket option. And if you enjoyed this video, I want you to subscribe, like, share, comment, everything. Do it for this video. Show your appreciation, my appreciation. I enjoy what you do. I love reading your comments. So see you on the next one.